there, my name is Jane Wesley Brooks with JWB Family Law in San Diego, California. Welcome to Tuesday's Tips. Today's topic is how do I move away from my current state or my current city with my children in light of a divorce. That's a really big topic. In fact, that is one of the more complicated motions that we have in family law. First of all, if you are the primary parent, meaning that you have a greater timeshare with the children than the other spouse, you're considered the primary parent. And under California law, the primary parent has the presumptive right to move. They don't have to have a reason for their move. They don't have to have a job waiting in another state. Nothing. They have the presumptive right to move. And if you don't want them to move, if you are not the primary parent, you have to prove that that move would be detrimental to your children. And when we talk about detriment in family court in this context, it's not just that it would be detrimental for the child to no longer have both parents in the same city or state. It has to be a very, very high level of detriment. As an example, if your child has special needs and has a team of professionals that address that special need in the city that they live in right now, then moving would be highly detrimental, especially if where they're moving to, there aren't that level of special needs services for their particular issue. That would be a very high level of detriment to that child. If you can prove detriment, then the court will go ahead and set what we call an evidentiary hearing. And at that hearing, the court will listen to lots of testimony about other factors that the court has to consider to determine whether they are going to order and allow the primary parent to move or whether they are going to restrain the primary parent from moving. There are lots of factors. Most of them are under a case called La Mouche. Some of the factors are the court considers whether the parent who's moving would be a parent who would be willing to share the child long distance. They will consider whether that parent is requesting a move just because they're trying to distance the children from the other parent. There are a multitude of factors that the court considers if you get past the finding of whether there's detriment or not, and it goes to an evidentiary. I strongly encourage you, if you are considering a move away, or if the other side is trying to move away, and you want to look at whether you can restrain that move away, please go speak to a family law attorney. This is a complex and difficult issue in family law, and you need to get the best advice you can. Feel free to call us at JWB Family Law. We are here to help, and I wish you the best.